How to add and play with your friends in Free Fire Max. So this video is super simple and easy. So if this video does end up helping you, make sure you like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to be on the latest update. And you're gonna have to be in the lobby, which is the lobby right here. And once you're in the lobby, you're gonna have to click on your name option right here. Then once you do that, you need two things from here. You're gonna need your username, Stemic on YT, and you're gonna need your UID, which is right here. You could copy it, for example, as you guys can see, it said UID copied. So just cross that out. So those are the two things you need: your username and your UID. Then once you do that, what you have to do from here is you're gonna have to go all the way up, and you should see a Free Fire logo right here. Once you find the Free Fire logo, you're gonna have to go towards the right here. You're gonna have to click on this friend icon, this little second option. Then once you click on that, you're gonna have to click on add friends right here. Now from here, you could either paste in your UID to search, or you could put your input nicknames. So you do need your friend's UID to search. You could invite them through a link right here. As you guys can see, I could always copy the link. You could also invite them through WhatsApp, Instagram. It does not matter from anything. You could copy the link and send it to them. You could add them automatically. Then once you search their name up, you should get this option right here where it's that little friend icon. You're gonna have to send them a friend request. Then once you send them a friend request just like this, you're gonna have to cut this out, and they're gonna have to accept your friend request, and you could just invite them and play with them. So if this video did help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you need any help, thank you for watching.